Welcome to our channel. If you want to update your Garmin watch software, follow these step-by-step instructions to access the latest features. Step 1. Download and open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Ensure the app is updated to the latest version from your device's app store. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone and make sure your Garmin watch is powered on and within range. Step 3. Open the Garmin Connect app and ensure your watch is connected. The app will automatically check for available software updates. Step 4. If an update is available, you'll see a notification or banner in the Garmin Connect app indicating a software update is ready. Step 5. Tap Install or Update when prompted. Make sure your watch has at least 50% battery before proceeding. Step 6. Keep your watch close to your smartphone during the download and installation process. This may take 10 to 30 minutes depending on update size. Step 7. Your watch will display installation progress. Do not use the watch or disconnect it from your phone during installation. Step 8. Once complete, your Garmin watch will restart automatically. After restarting, verify the software version in your watch's settings to confirm the update was successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.